So it's 18th August and I have taken you to the Goldcoast beach line and it's Pacific Airshow. So everybody is aligned and they're waiting for different aircraft for the air show.
Right down there on the left-hand side. Benjamin, I got it. We're going to bring it back. Why not?
Wait for it.
This time.
Look at the high tidy beach.
Why not? Let's make it happen. Positioning for the spring roll.
Oh, they're coming back now. Rolling up. Yes.
Rolls in until passing sunset on the course.
One is going straight and one is rolling. उसकी जो बेसिकली फ्यूम है ना उसको वो ट्विस्ट कर रहा है उसके राउंड more coming yes low level flying which aircraft are these so basically they are using their old aircraft for air show and we use our F-16s Meanwhile, people are having a layer time. Oh, one aircraft is inverted. See, Safa? One aircraft is inverted. That looks nice. That is a barrel roll. If I'm not wrong. I hope you can see it. Everybody is recording it. Wow, they are so low. Oh, they are flying so low. Yeah. Yep. You want to touch that puppy? Okay, let's go and ask. Let's go. Wow, look at this bomber. 6,100 forces on each propeller. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. The way it's coming close to the tides.
Again, it's just the flick of a switch on the control stick up there.
Ooh, the sound of it.
Look at the power.
Yes.
Helicopter है लेकिन काफी
Keeps it right on the deck though. There's that outbound corner marker we've been telling you about. He's just gonna pivot right around it on the chicane in the Red Bull Air.
शिफ्टिंग करता है ये लाइक हेलीकॉप्टर बन के ऐसी लैंडिंग है वर्टिकल लैंडिंग कर देता है
मतलब बेसिकली प्रोपेलर्स भी है ना इसमें
या आधी वजह से हेलीकॉप्टर बन जाता है अभी हेलीकॉप्टर बन गया है
साउंड बहुत ज़्यादा है
अभी होवर कर रहा है लेकिन ये अमेरिकन है
The tides are so high, and okay, now it's going away. Everybody is capturing the moments, and look at these birds. They're enjoying their free flights.
ये जहाज स्पोर्ट्स कार है ना
क्या है? Woo! It's turning round and round. Now it's standing in the air. It's falling free fall, free fall. It's free fall of the aircraft. Oh my god, it had turned its engine off actually, you know. And now it's turning on the engine again.
Thank God.
Now again a loop. Loop. Inverted flight, inverted flight. Engine off.
समझ बेटा कम on the left side आप शुरू में आ रही हो stand it
Oh, engine off. Falling down.
Just hold a little bit. You see boats, you said.
So welcome the 3 set of aircraft.
Screaming Diamonds Formation Aerobatic Team.
Screaming Diamonds Formation Aerobatics.
Here, you see?
They disappeared and they are appearing again.
Adrian's gonna hang back just a bit.
So far I can see there's a writing something in the sky. Are they?
This is the one that got
Are they writing something in the sky?
Adrian's way back there. Now watch the two.
They're coming towards us, like directly towards us. Can you see that?
Adrian's gonna come right up the middle.
Ooh. They're so beautiful. Red, yellow.
Red, yellow, and blue.
What a cool figure. Right at show center. Now watch them. The timing on this is just incredible.
It looks like a fart.
Yeah?
It looks like it's moving.
Yeah, they are beautiful.
No, it looks like they're doing a fart.
Far. So first we think it. Oops.